Who's that? Got both hands in the bowl. Who is it? Got both hands in the bowl. I caught you both hands in the cookie bowl. I caught that raccoon, both hands in the cookie bowl. He leaned over there comfortable. You just comfortable right there? You ain't got to do nothing right there. All you got to do is just sit right there and just put him in the mouth. All you got to do, you ain't got to move, do you? He's funny looking. I don't know if you can see him on camera the way he is. He just got his elbows, his arms, elbows resting on the table, resting on the edge of that bowl. Every one of us has done that before. Rest our elbows and arms on the table while we eat. I'm coming a little closer. I'm coming closer. You know why I'm coming closer? Because I wanted to. Not Raccoon, he didn't want you to. I was going to look see what time it was, but I forgot. Must be about 4 o'clock. I hear the trash truck over there. Oh, Raccoon. That's you right there, ain't it? Them hands got going crazy. Look at him, them hands. 100 miles an hour, those hands moving back and forth, touching for pecans. He knows what to feel like. A pecan, it feels like a pecan. He knows that. He knows a pecan feels like a pecan. He knows that. I got more right here if you want some more. I got more in this bag. I got more in this bag. Why you running off like a frog? Why you running off like a frog? What kind of a mess did you make? Well, not a big mess, but he made a mess. He done eat about 2 handfuls a night. He eat a lot of cat food and dog food. That's 2 handfuls. He eat this a dog biscuit. That's a dog biscuit there. I broke it in half. That's a different color one there. What did this one say? What is that? Sounds like a squirrel. Oh, let me pick this stuff up and put it in here. Put all that back in there. Put all that back in there. Boy, that wind is cold, I tell you. The wind is cold. I put the pecans back in this bag. I'll use this bag to transport them in out here to the raccoons for a little while. Yeah, these are $16 a bag. And those pecans I just put in there, I like those a lot better than these pecans. And they only $10 a bag. They $6 cheaper, $5 to $6 cheaper than this. This brand costs $5 more than that brand right there I'm using now. But that brand I'm using now is better pecans than these are. Alright, stop this video, stop.